Hi, this is Akshata and I'm here at our TPAS Cymru annual tenant engagement conference. It's one of my favorite times of the year when tenants, staff and stakeholders come to learn, discuss and get inspired. It's really about bringing together every voice to build stronger communities. Let's see what we find out.
There just isn't one thing. The whole event is out of this world. You've got individual conversations with fellow delegates, workshops to attend.
This has been full time and it's better than ever.
I'm Emma, I'm the head of consultancy at TPAS England, so I'm so excited to be here. It's my first time at TPAS Cymru's conference. There's a real buzz in the air. I'm really excited to see all the topics that are happening. The main room, it's going to be exciting this morning on the panel, and all the workshops. So yeah, I'm really pleased to be here.
The message was get on board, get involved, try and influence the associations that you're living with to make a difference, and that message come round, loud and clear.
This is my first time in National Tenant Engagement Conference. It's been really, really nice and wonderful experience with other people coming from across Wales.
Good interaction around community cohesion. So there's some really good conversations there from the tables, and the other one I went to was with the Public Sector Ombudsman for Wales. I thought that was really good.
As in Clwyd as a housing association, we feel that the tenants' voice, feedback should shape the way that we operate. So coming down to this conference enables us to gain knowledge about good practice that goes on in the sector.
Really encouraging.
Really informative. I got to speak to lots of amazing people.
It's important that tenants are made like a part of the conference, and we pick up on different things that we may not have known about housing. How important it is that our voices are to be heard as tenants, and also landlords as well, that they're aware, like we're both taking part.
The important thing is that you don't give up. It's really good today to meet up with other councils to talk about changes in policy and procedure, and more importantly how we can put tenants at the heart of decision making.
Smallest little things that I didn't know about that helped me so much. The people are fantastic here.
I've loved every minute of it, and there's a really good social side.
Thank you, TPAS, for emphasizing that this morning. To the tenants out there, I hope you know that you are seeing your head.
If anybody gets asked to come, please come, you will totally enjoy it.